Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see introduction session about the Odoo views. Alright, and in case you missed previous discussion about what is the difference between XML file and the CSV file while data import, please check link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblands channel. Under the home screen, you can see Odoo 17.18 development tutorial, and right now we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, let's back to our main topic. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot. Plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So let's say you can see those are the list of views available in the Odoo. Right, some views already available in the community version and few views available in the enterprise version. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind, if you are using only the community Odoo, right, then you can see a few of the views. But let's say you want to use the grid view, map view, right, the cohort view, the Gantt view, so those one available in the enterprise version. So let me clear first so you will not confuse here, right? So let's say the form view, you can see something like this way. You can create the form view, right? By default existing models views provided by the Odoo, you can see something like this way. You can design the form view for the single record. Here, this is the list view. You can also say the tree view in the past Odoo versions, right? So this is the list view, and here you can see multiple records for the single model. Okay, and here you can see the number, the create date, customer, those are the field name for the specific model, right? After that, you can see the search view. So search view is specifically available like when you are using such views which having a multiple records, right? Those views already by default supported this search view. So here search view provides the searching the result, right? You can group by the records with the multiple fields, right? You can also filter with the specific defined by default defined fields, or you can also filter different fields. I mean a custom search, you can also do it using the add custom filter option. Okay, and yeah, at the last, let's say if you are using the regular basis one single filter, right, so you can also save it to here in this favorites search bar. After that, you can see the Kanban view. The main purpose of the Kanban view is the card wise display record, right? So here the main difference between the list view and the Kanban is something like this. It's an attractive view, right? Then after the queue web, right, let's say if you are designing the reports specifically in the HTML report, or let's say the text report, right, or let's say using the PDF report, in this case you can use the QWeb template. Then after the graph view, so here by default 3 different types of graph view available, right? Based on your configuration, you can display here the graphs to visualize your specific model, right? Then after the pivot view, so pivot view displays the aggregations as a pivot table. So you can also extend the fields based on your convenience, right? You can also download here this current diagram, or you can extend, or let's say you can insert in the spreadsheet, something like there are options available here. Then after, you can see the calendar view, right? So you can navigate using the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, or the yearly basis. So according to the configuration, right, it will display something like this way. So basically this view, this calendar view is the monthly basis, and you can see here the options also available, right? Then after the cohort view, so this is the view. You can track here the specific operations. The main purpose of this view is the timely manner operations you want to understand, right? So here this view come to the picture. Then after Gantt view, so here it's also the display similar like that way. You can see left hand side the employee, right? The right side is the timing, the schedules of that specific employee. So you can see something like this way. Then after the grid view, this grid view is used for display computed information in numerical cells. Then after the map view, so map view displays the specific map based on the routes between the records. So you can see the left hand side, you can see here the different pipelines from the CRM, right? And according here, it will automatically display those pipelines into the map. All right. So those are the views by default provided by the Odoo. Okay. And in our upcoming sessions, I'm going to show you how to create different views. All right, with the real test cases. So if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.